Hey everybody, getting the wheel horse here ready for mowing season. I've already changed the oil on it, got the battery charging up. It's not been holding a charge very well. If it sits for a couple of weeks, it won't start. Probably gonna have to get a new battery for it, but I'm changing these mower blades today. I was able to find these new old stock wheel horse blades on eBay. They don't make these anymore. Tried different mower shops in my area, nobody could get them. Searched the interwebs for several months before somebody posted up a set. These are brand new. I hit these with a wire brush and a coat of black spray paint. They had a lot of surface rust on them. I know it don't really matter on mower blades to whether they're painted or not, but makes them look a little better for a little while. This wasn't supposed to be the video for this week, but this was supposed to be it, but I'm waiting on some parts to show up for it. It'll be next week's video. So I'm gonna get these mower blades on here real quick, and I'll show you the process of doing that. Jack it up. Probably best to secure it in some way to keep it from falling on you, but I'm not gonna stick my body under there. I'm just gonna stick my arm up. So let's get started. Okay, we're down here under the deck now. I redid this deck last year. Ground all the rust off the bottom of the deck and repainted everything. These spindles have all new bearings in them. The deck's got new belt. I don't have enough room to use my impact, so we're going to have to use a ratchet. Okay, we got this blade off. This is why we're replacing them, as this is the incorrect blade for this machine. See, this is the original cutting edge on this blade on this side, and they're supposed to be on the other side. They ground a cutting edge on the opposite side of this blade to make this work, and this did not cut grass well. They probably lost one of the blades and put this on here to try to make it work, which I don't blame them, but we're going to install the new blade. Okay. Got a little bit of blue Loctite here. Try to help this from coming off. Okay. This is the only blade that needs replaced. But I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them just because we have them. I'll keep the two ones that are still good. They've been sharpened several times, a little worn, but they can still be used if something happens to one of the other blades. Okay, with one of the good blades off compared to a new one, you can see how many times this one had been sharpened. This one's completely straight all the way across, and this one's angled in. Like I said, these blades still cut fine, except for that one outer one. I'll hang on to these. Okay, we got all three new blades on. Went around off camera and really pulled on them bolts tight. There's our old blades here. This one here's pretty much a scrap metal. I have no use for that one. I'm probably going to save these two, being they are the right blades and still usable. Alright, shot a little bit of air in the tires. I'm going to probably have to get tubes for these rears. They're heavily dry rotting, and it leaks out these cracks. They don't leak fast. They do leak. Usually every month or so I have to air the tires back up on it. I thought about putting new tires on it, but my options are ag tires or the new turf tires, but they don't have a whole lot of tread on the new turf tires. These are real beefy tread wise compared to the new ones, and I don't really like them. I don't want to run ags because they just tear up your yard. So I kind of want to hang on to these as long as they're somewhat usable. And the fronts, I need to get new wheels. Probably get new tires with the wheels. These wheels they're just wore out. They're heavily dry rotted too, but I'm pretty sure these already have tubes in them. And up here, we rebuilt this carburetor. I got it dialed in. I had to wait until this governor spring showed up. It had the incorrect governor spring on it. The governor wasn't even working. It was such a stiff spring, it was basically just a hard link between these points. And the adjustments on this is your idle make screw up here. And then down here's your main jet. Pretty much 1.5 turns on these out is pretty much set. And then down here, usually 1.5 turns out is pretty much set. Go full throttle and then adjust this one. When your engine starts running smooth full throttle, you know you're where you need to be. Battery's been on the charger for a while. that's pretty much going to be it for today. Probably going to paint these wheels here pretty soon. Might need to crack this transmission open at some point in time. It doesn't like to go into third. Not sure what's going on there. But, yep. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.